Alrighty then, so we are here today to do unboxing of this QGeeM USB keyboard docking. As you can see, it has a lot of ports on the back. Looking forward to opening this up. The box does seem like it'll have a very nice texture once I take the shrink wrap off. The letters are all shiny, reflective. It's very cool. So let's go ahead and cut into it and see what's inside. So let me open the box up here. And then here is the keyboard itself. Looks very nice. It does have a nice tactile push to it, almost as if it was an Apple keyboard. Here are all of the ports. So you got your headphone jack, USB 3, let me focus in here, USB 3, micro SD, SD, Ethernet, HDMI 4K, VGA, and then USB-C. So it does feel very good. Let's see what else we got in the box. We got the user's manual, safety instructions, product information. Oh, they do want you to use it with an Apple computer. That's pretty cool. And then here are all the ports it works with. And let's see about this cord they give you. So it looks like they give you a USB-C to USB-C port. And then I venture what they're going to want is to have us plug it into this port right here that has the computer icon on it. Boom. And then this will hook up to the laptop. So that's my unboxing of this product. It looks very cool. Let you guys know in the review how it goes. Thanks.